In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GoDaddy email on Outlook. If you want to manage your GoDaddy email directly inside Outlook, the good news is that the setup process is usually quick and straightforward. Once it's connected, you'll be able to send, receive, and organize your email all in one place, which can make your day-to-day workflow much easier. To get started, open Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so all the menu options appear correctly. If you're already signed into another account, that's okay. You can still add your GoDaddy email alongside your existing accounts. Once Outlook is open, look for the gear icon. This is the settings area, and it's where you'll find the options for managing accounts and adjusting how Outlook works. Click the gear icon to open the settings panel. Depending on your version of Outlook, this may appear on the top right side of the screen. After the settings panel opens, click on Account. This section is used to manage the email accounts connected to Outlook. If you ever need to update or remove an account later, this is typically the same place you'll come back to. Next, click Add Account. This tells Outlook that you want to connect a new email address. A setup window will appear, prompting you to enter the email account you want to add. Now, enter your GoDaddy email address carefully and make sure it's typed correctly. Even a small typo can prevent the account from connecting properly. After entering the address, continue by following the prompts on your screen. Outlook may ask for your password and may also guide you through a few confirmation steps. Just complete each prompt as it appears. In many cases, Outlook can detect the correct settings automatically, which makes the process much easier. If that happens, simply continue through the setup until you see confirmation that the account has been added successfully. If Outlook takes a few moments to verify the account, that's completely normal, so be patient and let it finish. Once the setup is complete, your GoDaddy email should appear in Outlook, and you can begin using it right away. It's a good idea to send a quick test email to make sure everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've now set up your GoDaddy email on Outlook. If you found this helpful, you can use the same general process anytime you need to add another email account in the future.